We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support above 55-cent area and also trying to fight to get back above the 60-cent area here in the second half of the day. And MULLEN stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 7 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are from MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support. And in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix spot. Our Netflix spot sent out a bull indicator at 12:25 p.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the rip area of bright green bars to the dip area of white with red borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator at around the 69-cent area. And that weakness continued, doing a full transition into today's volatility from the rip area to the dip area down here, hitting lows of 55 cents, breaking through the support from yesterday of 60 cents. Then hitting the 55-cent level and bouncing back up and rejecting where things got choppy in yesterday's trading day at around 65 cents, 64 cents, and coming back down to the 59-cent level, trying to fight to get back above 60 cents. Now, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to switch from red to green and try to push up higher here on the 30-minute to justify any strength to the upside and eventually cancel out this bear indicator in the process. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see here how the outflows have been dominating. Even though it's green and it's sitting at negative 0.14, these inflows need to pick up to the upside to justify any possible move. And this bear indicator needs to get canceled up here from the 65-cent level. And that's where things rejected near today's highs. Now, when we go ahead and zoom into the volatility of the 15-minute, we could go ahead and see here how these inflows are trying to pick back up here in the second half of the day. A bull indicator popped up at the 59-cent level, and it's fighting there to hold support in the after hours, and it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up higher to justify any further possible strength into these charts and retest key resistance levels. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is the 58-cent area. If that gets broken through, then I'll be watching the 55-cent area, and if these outflows go towards the midpoint or cross it here on the 30-minute, and same thing on the 15-minute, if it starts to pull downwards, I'll be looking at that, and if that weakness starts to reflect into these charts, will it cancel out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator? And the next support is the 53-cent to 50-cent area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for this bear indicator to get canceled, inflows to continue pushing up, turning from red to green away from the midpoint and reflecting that strength into these charts based off the 30-minute. And on the 15-minute, hold this bull indicator true, get these inflows to pick up away from the midpoint and roll that strength over into the 30-minute. And the first resistance is the 62-cent area. Multiple rejections in the pre-market, and after that rejection at 65 in the middle of the day, 62 cents got rejected 3 times. And then above that, I'll be watching the 65-cent area, and if that gets broken through, I'll be paying close attention to the 68 to 70-cent level. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them, as the 15-minute is back above the midpoint in the volatility, and a bull indicator has popped up, and I'll be watching if it can roll over into the 30-minute and 1 hour as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in, and now you're seeing this other chart which I shared today in the pre-market, and I stated, right, you could see the same line there, and I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449, and I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area, and the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed to cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over, and you could see the purple area that continued to act like support, and NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal, and from there it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it can happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire thread borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.